Welcome to Chikki Kids Land.
Hello kids, today I draw some fruits. So let's start. First, I draw a strawberry. Animated strawberry. This is a red part, and then I draw some leaves of strawberry. This looks cute and this looks so real and neat. So I have done my strawberry drawing. Let's draw some circles and dots. This is ice. Wow, the ice is moving. The next, I draw an pineapple. First draw an oval-shaped circle. And then draw some green leaves. Draw some straight lines. This is that eye. The second eye. Wow, and the eye is moving again. Then I draw a watermelon. My third fruit is watermelon. Just draw a triangle shape and give the curve. Watermelon, and then I draw the eyes of the watermelon. And then draw some doors. This is the seeds of watermelon. And the fourth, I draw a banana. This is the open banana. This is the covering of the banana. This looks so cute. And I have done my banana drawing. And then I draw the Y's. Then in the 5 number, I draw an apple. Which is your favorite fruit? And then draw the leaf. Tell me in comment box. And then draw eyes. All fruits are animated. And in the last, I draw grapes. Wow! First, I draw the leaves. And then I draw grapes. Grapes drawing is just like circle, 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 circle. 4 circle, 4 circle, 3 circles. And now, okay kids, let's start coloring. First, fruit is strawberry. So that's why I take the red color, because we know that there is a red color in the strawberry and the green color in the leaf. That's it. What? How's the bad one? And now, this is the yellow color in the pineapple. You know, pineapple color is yellow. Okay? And third is watermelon. After cutting, we know there is a red color inside the watermelon. And outside color is red, green. And now I take the green color. And the fourth is banana. And you know, there's yellow color in banana. And the fifth fruit is apple. You know? apple is also in green color, apple also a red color. So I think the red color and green color is in the leaf. Oh. And in the last, in the grapes, I